The future of nursing is often discussed in terms of technology, automation, and artificial intelligence. This conversation sometimes creates anxiety, as if machines are preparing to replace human care. But the future of nursing is not about losing relevance. It is about understanding how the role evolves while its core remains unchanged. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach theory, we show how knowledge turns into real-world understanding. Technology in healthcare is advancing rapidly, but it does not remove the need for nurses. It changes where nursing time and attention are spent. Automation reduces repetitive tasks. AI highlights patterns in data. These tools exist to support clinical decision-making, not to replace professional judgment or compassion. Think of technology like autopilot in aviation. It manages routine processes, but human pilots remain responsible for safety, judgment, and response during unexpected situations. Nursing works the same way. Machines can process data, but nurses interpret meaning and act with empathy. In practice, AI and automation are already reshaping workflows. Documentation support, predictive alerts, smart devices, and remote monitoring reduce cognitive load and surface risk earlier. Nurses use this information to prioritize care, advocate for patients, and intervene at the right time. Human care remains irreplaceable. Nurses observe body language, hear emotion in a patient's voice, and recognize when something feels wrong despite normal data. These human insights guide ethical decisions, comfort patients, and support families during uncertainty. The future nurse is both clinically skilled and technologically aware. Understanding how systems work, questioning automated outputs, and using data responsibly will become part of everyday practice. Education will continue to shift toward critical thinking, adaptability, and lifelong learning. The nclex in nursing education will evolve alongside practice, but the underlying goal remains patient safety. Technology adds tools, but accountability stays with the nurse. Professional responsibility does not disappear with automation. As healthcare becomes more complex, nurses will play an even stronger role as coordinators of care. They will bridge technology and humanity, ensuring that efficiency does not replace compassion and that data does not override dignity. The future of nursing is not a departure from the past. It is an extension of it. The values of observation, advocacy, and ethical care remain constant, even as tools change. If this series has shown anything, it is that nursing is not about memorizing information. It is about thinking clearly, acting responsibly, and caring deeply in uncertain situations. Technology may change how care is delivered, but it does not change why nursing exists. This is not the end of learning. It is the beginning of practicing with confidence, curiosity, and purpose. And as nursing continues to evolve, we will continue exploring it together here at the Learning Studio.